Former U.S. Marine Sergeant Luke Ramirez didn't expect trouble that morning. He simply wanted to catch his flight home after attending a military funeral. Dressed in a clean but worn uniform, he carried only one duffel bag and a folded flag tucked carefully under his arm. At the airport security checkpoint, everything changed. A stern-faced supervisor, Dana Keller, marched over the moment she spotted Luke. "You can't bring that flag through without inspection," she barked. Luke respectfully explained, "Ma'am, this flag was presented to a fallen Marine's family. It cannot be unfolded or touched." Dana scoffed loudly enough for surrounding passengers to hear. "Rules apply to everyone, uniform or not." A few travelers muttered in disapproval. One elderly man whispered, "That's unnecessary." Luke stayed calm. "I'm asking for a supervisor with experience handling ceremonial items." Dana smirked. "You're looking at her?" Before Luke could respond, she grabbed for the flag. Instinctively, he stepped back. "Ma'am, please don't touch that." Her face twisted with irritation. "That's it. You're obstructing security procedures." She snapped her fingers at two officers, scored him to holding. Luke didn't resist as they took him aside. He simply said, "I'll cooperate. But I'll also be filing an official complaint." Dana rolled her eyes. "Go ahead. It'll get tossed." 2 months later, Dana sat stiffly in a courtroom, clutching a stack of paperwork. She never expected him to follow through, let alone show up with legal representation. Luke entered wearing a suit and carrying the same folded flag. His attorney, a well-known veterans' rights advocate, placed several documents on the judge's desk. 2 months later, Dana sat stiffly in a courtroom, clutching a stack of paperwork. She never expected him to follow through, let alone show up with legal representation. Dana's face paled. Luke spoke respectfully. "I don't want compensation. I want accountability and better training for staff so no other service member or family has to go through this." The judge reviewed the evidence, including recorded statements from travelers and airport security footage showing Dana grabbing for the flag. Her verdict was swift. "Ms. Keller, your actions were unlawful and disrespectful. Mandatory retraining and a formal apology are required. This court also orders the airport authority to revise its policy regarding military ceremonial items." Dana's voice shook as she turned to Luke. "I apologize for my behavior." Luke nodded once. "Thank you." Outside the courthouse, a reporter asked Luke why he pursued the case. His answer was simple. Respect isn't given because of a uniform. It's given because we're all human. I just wanted to make sure others are treated that way. And with that, he walked away, flag still tightly held, dignity fully intact.